Hello, this is a quick guide that explains how to install Portfolio and Slicer on your computer. You'll start by creating a folder where you want this Portfolio Slicer to be installed. In this case, I've chose a location on OneDrive and the folder name is Portfolio Slicer Demo. It is recommended that you install Portfolio Slicer in a folder that is handled by OneDrive, Dropbox, or Google Drive. This is because every time you change the file, every time you save after changing the file, OneDrive or Google Drive or Dropbox saves the version of that file in the cloud. So if something happens, the workbook gets corrupted or you accidentally delete data, you can actually go back and to restore the previous version of the file you want. Other than that, there are no limitations for Portfolio Slicer. It can be installed anywhere on your PC. We already created a folder, and then we go to portfolioslicer.com website, portfolioslicer.com, and we'll go into download area. From there, depending on your Excel version, you will choose to install either Portfolio Slicer Excel Workbook Excel 2010, if you're using Excel 2010, or the other file Excel 2013, and it works both for Excel 2010 and Excel 2013 and Excel 2016 if you're already using it. For this demo purposes, we'll download Excel 2010 version, we'll save it, and we'll make sure it's save it into location which we created before. It's Portfolio Slicer demo. So we save one file, then we go and we also download scripts. And in our case, we'll download script which includes all necessary scripts to run Portfolio Slicer. We save it, and again we save into the same space. Now we go back to this browser, and the first thing we want to do is to unblock the file. So we right mouse click on each of the file and we click unblock here. And we do the same for Excel file, right mouse click, properties, unblock, and done. We need to unblock it because any file downloaded from internet, Windows automatically blocks just in case you have some harmful executables in there. Every time when you'll try to do something with this blocked file, you'll get some warning messages. We don't want to get these messages anymore, so we'll just unblock it. So the next step is we simply to unzip files in the current folder. So we click just extract here, and that's our Excel file just got extracted. We can delete the zip file, we don't need it anymore. And the same way we extract all our scripts, we'll just click extract here. And again, the original zip file will get deleted, and additional files were extracted from the scripts file. These are two batch files, and all the script files there as well. So after unzipping, we still could do something more to help Portfolio Slicer to run faster. So we can copy this location where Portfolio Slicer is installed, start Excel and go to File, Options, and go to Trust Center, and then choose Trust Center Settings. And there are Trusted Locations area here. So this is area that lets you add locations that you trust when you execute some where you store your Excel files that may have access some external resources. So here I pasted the path where our Portfolio Slicers file will be stored. This is Portfolio Slicer demo. If you think that you'll store some subfolders in there, you can click here. In our cases, we don't need it. Just click OK and OK. So what these trusted files will do, again, every time you open Portfolio Slicer workbook, it will not warn you that there is a external data connection. It will just accept the file for and run without additional warnings. You'll not have to do additional clickings. So after you've done this, one more thing that's left to do for you is go to your computer C drive and then create a folder. Sorry, I'll just create here file, new folder, portfolio slicer, and inside there we'll create a also folder PS data. So portfolio slicer comes pre-configured for this specific hard-coded location where all external files will be stored, or the 4 external files required for portfolio slicer will be stored. There is an option for you to change this location. There will be another videos which explains how to do that. But by default, your external files expected to be here, and all the scripts are configured to do that. So that's all it is. Your portfolio slicer now is installed on your PC and ready to use.